Hey guys, what's up? Today we will see how you can add a chatbot to your Django website. So without wasting any time, let's get it started. Before we begin, you'll need a Kommunicate account for this tutorial. If you don't have one yet, there's a registration link in the description box below. Register now for a 30-day free trial. Once you've done that, you need to log into your Kommunicate dashboard. From the left navigation panel, click on Bot Integration. Here, you can integrate your chatbot with Kommunicate, or if you don't have one yet, you can create it from scratch using our GUI bot builder tool, Compose. Using Compose, you can create your own chatbot in less than 5 minutes. Link to that tutorial shall be in the description box below. Do check that out after this video. Once you're done with your chatbot, click on Settings icon here on the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, click on Conversation, then click Rules. On this page, make sure you've enabled this. Assign New Conversations to Bot option. After enabling this, select the bot which you want should handle all new conversations. Then again, from the side panel, click Install. From here, just copy your install script. Now open your Django website project. Open the code for the web page where you want the chat widget to appear. Now, just paste this code above the closing of the body tag. Save the code and open your website. You can see here on the bottom right corner, the chat widget appears. Once you click it, the chat window will open, and your chatbot will greet you with the welcome message. You can do the same procedure for all the pages where you want this chat widget to appear. Just paste your install script on all those pages and done. You've successfully integrated your chatbot with your Django website. So guys, that is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.